Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we're looking at numbers, and the other numbers that we have for October is the browser numbers. So where is Edge, and what's the dominant browser? Well, I guess the dominant browser, you probably know what it is. We have in the browser desktop market, Chrome, that's at 66.46%. So dominant, and pretty crazy dominant. When you look at it, pretty much stays stable from 67 here, 64 here, 67 here. So, it goes up and down through the year, but overall, there's no loss, there's no gain. It's pretty much in its zone of market share, 66.46%. This is for desktop PCs. There's no mobile in here. Then we have Edge, that's at 10.8%, which is the second most popular browser, but it has a hard time gaining any momentum. So that's very interesting here. I think a lot of people, when there's a new PC, they use Edge for one thing, to download Chrome, and that's it. Safari at 9.4%. Safari, which is only Mac, and so that means that pretty much most Mac users probably stick with Safari as their main browser, basically, which is interesting. Firefox at number 4 at 7.05%. Opera 3.6%. And we end up with Internet Explorer at 0.8%. It's interesting that there's no other browser that can beat IE. If you're at 0.8% on IE and nothing else can actually go above this, it means all the other browsers are very, very small market share. It's pretty crazy when you look at it. So Chrome, of course, dominating as usual. It's a situation that's kind of interesting because we see that Google is in some kind of antitrust look at, which was the case for Microsoft because of its browser, and look at how the browsers of Microsoft now are not really being a big problem, or will not be replacing any other browsers soon. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.